Welcome. In front of me is an Honor X6B, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. To get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device and the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, right over here, where the pin is holding. And you want to push it in, the tray will come out enough for you to pull it out. And on the tray you have space for SIM card and SIM card or SD card. Now if you're planning to use dual SIM, you would just place one of your SIM cards, or like so, sideways on the SD tray, and you're good to go. But for people that want to use one of each, just grab your SD card, place it like so. This one right over here, like this. And from there, carefully insert it back into your device. And the cards should start working right away. Hence it's popping up with the SIM card pin. So when I confirm it, this will unlock my SIM card. And SD card should be working as well, which, let's see if we have any kind of pop-up. Looks like we're not getting anything, so I'm gonna open up settings. And let's see if we have storage right here. And the memory card. So it is being detected as well. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.